Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Before us is this question that tells us to evaluate sine 15. And we are told to leave our answer in a sword. Alright, so how do we get started? First of all, we need to recognize that for us to evaluate sine 15 degree, we need to employ the special angles. And what are the special angles? The special angles are 45 degree, 60 degree, and 30 degree. Okay, so how do we get 15 degree from any of these? Okay, either by addition or by subtraction. Okay, and we'll have to pick 45 and 30. Okay, which means 45 minus 30 will actually give us 15. So we end up having sine into brackets 45 minus what? 30 degrees. Okay, now at this point we need to introduce the trigonometry identity. And what does that say? It says if you have sine A minus B, now this will give us sine A cos B, then minus cos A, then sine B. Okay, so having introduced this, let us now employ this trigonometry identity into this. So here we have that sine 45 minus 30 will now give us sine 45, which is A, then cos B 30, then minus cos A, that will be cos 45, and sine 30. Okay, and let us also take note that sine 45 here will now be 1 all over root 2. Okay, now times cos 30 in terms of sword, we have root 3 all over 2. Okay, then minus cos 45 in terms of sword is 1 all over root 2, then times sine 30 in terms of sword, we have or in terms of the special angle in trigonometry, we have 1 all over what? 2. Okay, when we now multiply this, we get to have root 3 all over 2 times root 2 give us what? 2 root 2, then minus 1, because 1 times 1 will give us 1 all over now 2 root what? 2. Now since we have the same denominator, we can henceforth say root 3 minus 1 all over what? 2 root what? 2. Okay, now let us rationalize. By rationalizing, we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the denominator, which we have 2 root 2 all over 2 root what? 2. And this will give us 2 root 2 multiplying by root 3 will give us 2 root 6, then 2 root 2 multiplied by negative 1, we have minus 2 root 2, then all over 2 root 2 times 2 root 2, this will give us 2 times 2 here, will give us 4, then root 2 times root 2 will give us what? 2, then that 2 times 4 will give us what? 8. Now looking at this, we have a common term from the numerator, and which is 2. When we factor that out, we are left with what? Root 6 minus root 2 all over what? 8. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So we are left with root 6 minus root 2 all over 4. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.